So last year, Yeezy Gap released the Yeezy Gap hoodie, and for the first drop I passed. But then in January this year, the second drop came. I said to myself, you know what, let me see what the hype's about. So I placed my order, then the waiting game begins. At the end of February, early March, this finally turns up. I've been away on vacation, but I'm back, and I finally get to see if the wait was worth it. So let's get to it. Thanks for checking the video. If you like all kinds of content related to sneaker culture, including unboxings, try-ons, on-feets, reviews, etc., please do consider subscribing to the channel, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. And if you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. Now today I'm checking out the Yeezy Gap hoodie from the second drop that took place in January. So on 11th of January was the second drop of the Yeezy Gap hoodies, but this time it was global. So I said to myself, you know what, let me see what's going on here. Now since this was a pre-order, it was a pretty much a guaranteed W. However, the lead time was around 4 to 6 weeks. So even though I placed my order mid-January, I didn't actually get my hoodie in hand until the end of February, early March. Now, I've been away on vacation, so there was a further delay, because actually I wasn't in the country to physically see the hoodie. But now I'm back, and I really can't wait to see what's inside this box and to see if the wait was worth it. So let's get to it. So here we have the box that the hoodie came in, and this has actually come from the US. So the hoodie in total was £80 in the UK, and with shipping, which I guess £15, total was £95. Because this didn't come from the EU, this came from the US, and obviously we did ship internationally. Okay. And we just have a paper bag inside. So again, just there cutting down the packaging. So pull this across. Here we have the hoodie. Let me see this. So I got this in light blue and I got an XXL because I'd heard a lot about the crop fitting. So I actually have Gap hoodies. Now this is heavy, so that's the first thing I can say. It's pretty weighty. I do have quite a lot of heavy hoodies in my collection, and this definitely is up there. So in terms of branding, there's literally no branding on the front or the back, and anything you will get is a small YZY, and then kind of in that Gap silhouette on the label. And that's pretty much it. That's how it looks. I'll try it on. Okay. So they weren't lying about the crop fit. So the arm length is good. It's definitely not a room there. Definitely not a room there. So I like that. It's a little bit baggy, obviously. The hood, yeah, that's sufficient. Definitely feels warm. The reason why I went for this colour, I really feel this colour. Blue's one of my favourite colours, and I thought, you know what, if you're going to go all out, you might as well get the colour you like. So I did. Now, obviously there was a crop fit. Although the hood's an XXL, and if I stand fully upright, it's coming just below my waist, so around my pelvis. So for reference, I'm 6'6", about 240 pounds. And for me, this fits fine. So you can see from the try-on cutaways, you can see obviously here's the front. Obviously we turn to the side, we'll turn to the back, and you can see the length, is pretty short. So definitely has that crop feel, as you can see, and I think it's an interesting addition to the collection. Now I do have a Gap hoodie that's very similar to this, and that is a lot less heavy, so I can already tell that there's more material being used in this hoodie than obviously in that one. I think the cropped element definitely does show here, because obviously with the arm length and the sleeves, you wouldn't know this was an XXL hoodie, but so that's kind of a interesting take as well. So yeah, that's the hoodie. I think it's fire. Glad to have it in the collection. Just obviously that pre-order lead time is a little bit frustrating, but for me, was it worth the wait? Yeah, I think it was, and I think I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this. So, what do you think of the hoodie? Did you cop the hoodie? What colour did you cop if you did? Or is it just something you thought about and just haven't been ready to pull the trigger? Let me know in the comment section down below. Anything you do like about a hoodie or don't like, again, let me know in the comment section. Really appreciate that feedback. So thanks for taking the video. If it's the kind of content you want to see, not just try-ons, but unboxings, on feats, stylings, etc., please do consider subscribing and also hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. And if you'd like to see a video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. And until next time, take it easy. I'll see you in the video.